So that is already open. View the slide master, and these are the different options. Okay, so this is the slide master, and this is the first slide, and this is the last slide. Okay, and which background, which color you want, then you have to change it. If I apply, I will show you. If I apply that color, if I apply this and anything, any coloring options, if I apply, okay, then you can easily change it. So that will be applied on all that slides. Okay, that is the slide master. And next is insert a picture on all slides. In case we want to insert a picture on all the slides of a presentation, we can include on the slide master by following these steps. Open the required presentation in the slide master view. Select the slide master in the left pane. Now click on the insert tab in the images group. Select the picture button. The insert picture dialog box will appear. Locate the picture file on your computer. Select the picture file. Click on insert, and the picture will appear on the slide master. Resize the picture as required and drag it to a desired location on the master slide in the right pane. Next, to set the inserted images in the background, right click on it, point to the send to back option and then select send to back. 6. Click the close master view button to exit the slide master view and see the changes in the presentation slides. Tips: similarly, you can also change the font type, size, color, paragraph, alignment, and so on for the text on all the slides by changing these features in master slide. So how you can insert a picture on all slides? Then you have to open. I will show you. First you have to open your required presentation in the slide master view. This is my presentation, and we have to open this in a slide master view. Click on view, and then you have to click on that slide master. Okay, and select the slide master in the left pane. Now click on the insert tab. Select this and click on the insert tab. Here click on the insert tab, and then you have to click on the insert pictures. There is a picture option is available. Okay, and which picture you want, then you have to locate it. Any picture from my pictures, not any pictures are there. How we can insert a picture? If this picture I want, click, and then you have to click, select the picture and click on the insert button. Look, that picture I have selected, and all the pictures came into the all slides. Okay, this picture will appear on all the slides. If you want to, then you have to right click on that, and then if you change send to back or send to forward, okay, where you want, then you have to click on that, and then you have to close the master view. Okay, so this way you can easily insert a picture on all slides. How we can insert a picture on all slides? One picture will be inserted on all slides. How? You have to open a slide in a slide master view, click on view button, and then you have to click on a slide master option, and then here look, I have already inserted a picture. You have to insert, then click on insert and picture, and which picture you want, then you have to easily select a picture. In my computer only this picture is there. If you insert any other picture, then you can easily insert a picture. If I show you this thumb impression, I will show you. Okay, click, and then we have to insert it. Okay, easily you have to insert this thumb impressions. Okay, this is the way you can easily insert a picture, okay, on all slides. That is okay, students, for today. I think all of you understands. If you have any problem, then you have to open your system and practice it from the book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.